Hello students, let us continue lesson number 6 and the next topic is Veer Durga Das. When the king of Jodhpur died, his wife and son were under the threat of Mughals. It was Veer Durga Das who took them at a safe place and gave them shelter. After that, with the help of the loyal soldiers, he protected Marwar from Aurangzeb for 25 years. Aurangzeb could not win Marwar and finally had to negotiate with the Rajputs. Children, you can see the picture 6.6 Coronation Ceremony of Shivaji. Now, next topic is Chhatrapati Shivaji. Shivaji was born in 1603 CE. He was born in the family of Sahaji Bhosle in the Shivneri Palace. His mother, Jijabai, and mentor Dadoji Kondev trained him. Shivaji dreamt of having an independent state in the small state of Pune. He inherited characteristics of self respect, fearlessness, and intelligence from his mother. His mentor gave him lessons on politics. He also had great friends like Tanaji. Shivaji slowly and gradually expanded his army. He started capturing forts at the early age of 16. He won forts of Torana, Chakna, Singhad, Purandar, etc. After several battles with rulers of Bijapur and Mughals, he was coronated in 1674. He was a great Maratha ruler. He worked hard to establish and maintain peace in the state. He formed cabinet of 8 ministers for efficient administration of states. Now, next topic is end of Mughal rule. The Mughal army was tired of waging war against the Marathas in the south for 25 long years. At last, Aurangzeb decided to retreat towards the north. He had also become old by that time. After his demise, the decline of Mughal empire began. Struggle for the throne broke out. There was no capable ruler who could keep everybody together. Aurangzeb's narrow-minded policies were responsible for the end of the Mughal empire. The Mughal empire, which was established in 1526 CE, started declining from 1707 CE. The empire set up by Babur extended over most of the India in Aurangzeb's time, and during his reign itself started declining. Discuss about the Mughal Empire on the basis of the points given in box 6.7. So, now next topic of this chapter is children. You can see the picture, and related to this picture you have to give the answer. With reference to the picture given alongside, describe Shahjahan's condition in the last days of his life. So, Shahjahan had fallen sick in 1657 CE. Taking advantage of this situation, Aurangzeb captured the throne of Delhi by treachery. First, he defeated his 3 brothers and then put his father Shahjahan under house arrest. In this picture, Shahjahan is resting on the bed and from the balcony watching Taj Mahal, which he had made which he had constructed in the memory of his beloved Begum Mumtaz Mahal. Now, student, I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.